we do have PDF files in this particular folder, and it can be a nested folder structure as well. This one, and so on. And in each of these, we do have PDF files. It can be much more nested as well. And what we need to do, we need to extract data from all the pages of this particular PDF file from this table. This table is found in multiple pages like this one. There are merged cells, there are missing data, and so on. We need to extract this reference number as well as the product name. And you can see there are some extra character. We need to remove them and just extract up to this. Then we need to combine all the data from all of those PDF files. So let me just show you the demo. I have this code using PyMo PDF. Let me just restart and run all. And you'll see that it's going to extract all the data, and it is going to save the data in this particular file. And also it's saying if we have any issue for extracting data, then it will say that this failed to extract reference number from file. And then once it is extracted all the data, then it will save the data in an Excel file in the main folder. That is this extracted data. And in this extracted data, we do have two different sheets. One is this one is this one. So this checklist is basically for those failing reasons, like why it's failed. And we need to cross check that why it's failed, and we need to modify the code accordingly, or maybe we don't have any data in that particular field. This extracted data has all the expected columns, this POS, encode, and so on. And I also have added this source file as well as page number so that we can cross check the data if it is extracting correctly or not. So that's it. If you need any help to extract data from PDF files, send me a message.